Welcome to the standard 5th students. Now we will start the reader, English reader, chapter 5, A Scribe's Dream. A Scribe's Dream, which is about a skilled copywriters. Scribe means skilled copywriters. So open the page 38 to 41. 38. Open the page 38. About the skilled copywriters, the scribes. The scribes is a person who has good handwriting, is copied from a book, just like a book. That is called skilled copywriters. That is called scribes. He earned a little money by writing some copywriting of the books. How he was cheated and going to be cheated and saved from cheating from a money lender. He never wants to take a money from money lender because money lenders are cheaters. So he never borrow from the money lenders. But his dream make him trouble. Okay, how? Once there was a scribe in Agra city. So do you know the scribe? He barely earned. Barely means very barely. Yes, almost not. Not getting more money. He barely earned. Earned a little means little money. He got little money by copying other writings. Okay. He never borrowed a single pie from money lender. He never borrowed. One day he dreamt. One day he slept and a dream come to his mind. Okay. He dreamed that he had borrowed 100 gold coins from a money lender. He terribly wake. He wake terribly. नींद में उठ पड़ा. ओके. नींद हुआ था जब ड्रीम देखा. इससे ऐसा ड्रीम हम कभी नहीं देखा है. So he dreamed. He wake from his dream and also wake from his wife. Wake his wife that listen what I saw dream. What I saw a dream. Listen carefully. He told her about all the dream what he had thought. All of a sudden this dream spreaded from wife to village members. His wife told to others, then others told to. So Tunda by the Sahasra Kosa. You don't tell to anything. You don't tell to anybody, but someone told to him. So in that, from mouth to mouth, from here to here, all the village, they came to know about the scribe. That scribe, in the dream, he thought that I have borrowed 100 gold coins from the money lenders. So the greedy money lenders, he also knew that things that he has dreamed. Who? The scribe has made a dream, and that dream he know. When he knew the greedy money lenders, he came to know that he went away to the scribe's house and told them, your dream is true. You should repay my money gradually, not suddenly. Gradually you repay my money from little amount you will give to me. One day little, another day little. Like this you repay my money. So the scribe's couple became worried about the dream. The scribe's wife suggested that to tell the dream to the Raja Birbal to help them from the danger. deserve, because the moneylender told that you have to pay. Though you have saw the dream, it is true, and I have given you. You have not remembered. So it is true, and you have to pay. So the Raja Birbal knew all the things from the scribe's tale. Scribes told to all the things to the Raja Birbal. After knowing the facts from the scribe, Raja Birbal brought 100 gold coins from his own darbar. He brought 100 gold coins and placed it in front of a mirror. Placed it in front of a mirror. Placed it in front of a mirror. Okay, in front of a mirror. Birbal told scribe to go and call the moneylender. He told to scribes, call moneylender. He is wanting money, so please let him call. Let him come to the king's palace. The moneylender came greedy mind to king's darbar with a greedy mind. Yes, I have told them, means you will give me and I will take back the 100 gold coins. So then all the moneylenders are greedy. So then Birbal said to the moneylender to take all the coins from the mirror, not to take the real coins, because he has saw a dream that he has brought from you 100 gold coins, not a real one. Not he has brought real one. He has make a dream that he has not. So you will take the coins from the mirror, not take the real coins. The moneylender knew he had made his match. He played a trick. Without saying anything, moneylender left with ashamed, because ashamed लज्जार सहित लौट के चला आया, because moneylender played a trick to get the money from the poor innocent scribe out of greed. Out of greed, lobha. The moral, what is the moral of the topic? What is the moral of the topic? Greedy makes man blind. Greedy makes man blind, and an easy prey for the death. And an easy prey for the death. With that greedy mind, you have to fall on that greedy mind. Okay. Thank you all of you. The scribe's dream and all the question answer. You remember this, the word meaning, and all the question answers should be done in the assignment copy and submit it in the Friday. Okay. All of you have a nice day. Thank you all of you.